Welcome to my channel. I am starting YouTube channel in medical coding. Start coding now 143. Medical coding YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and support my channel. What is medical coding? Medical coding is the process of converting medical information like diseases, treatment, tests, and procedures into standard codes. In the simple terms, when a doctor examines a patient, they write notes about the illness, diagnosis, test done and treatment given. A medical coder takes that information and translate it into specific alphanumeric codes used worldwide. So, medical coding flowchart, medical coding processing. The first start with the pre-coding and CPTs and ICTs and quality audit and submission of coded charts and accessing patient charts. These all points are including in medical coding process. In ICDs and CPTs are there, and HCPCA codes are there in medical coding, but ICD abbreviation International Classification of Disease, CPT current procedure terminology. In key difference between ICD-9 and ICD-10, the features ICD-9 and ICD-10. The number of codes వచ్చి ICD-9 13,000 diagnosis codes and ICD-10 68,000 diagnostic codes. Code length 3 to 5 digits and ICD-10 3 to 7 digits. The format mostly numeric and ICD-10 alphanumeric letters and letters plus numbers. The specificity less specific high in ICD-9 and ICD-10 highly detailed and specific. The feature, the laterality left and right, ICD-9 not included and ICD-10 included. The future example codes ICD-9 250.0 diabetes mellitus in ICD-9 we are using, but present ICD-10 we are using in diabetes mellitus code E11.9 in ICD. Thank you. Please support and watch my channel. Thank you.